All right. Trade recap from today. Literally just record this video and it wasn't recording my screen, which is crazy. But yeah, I have to do this over again then. Trade recap from today. So today I took one trade. It was one W trade. It was a really clean trade, but just how we got there wasn't really so nice. So just going into the trade recap. What was I looking for today? I was actually really looking for bullish. I was looking for bullish price the entire day. Like you could say with this drop lower, even from FOMC, you could say, oh, we're really bearish, like we just took out the liquidity here and we should go lower. But how I see it is as the weekly, I always look at what the weekly time frame is doing. I had these other time frames on here as well, which was the 2 week, the 3 week, monthly, 2 months. And it was always based, okay, what is the weekly doing? Is it bullish, is it bearish? So if we didn't have a change in state of delivery, right here, we're still bullish. Then I still should be looking for bullish prices, which I did, but looking at the 2 week chart, 3 week chart, I was still looking, okay, what's the weekly doing? But I was just more like, okay, wait, we also have this on the 2 week, and like I shouldn't be even looking at this. Like now I have the monthly, but this is just for looking like monthly lows or monthly highs to get taken. But I'm only looking at what the weekly is doing. And looking at this swing low to swing high, we have this singular busy here. So on the 3-day or the daily, you could like we have all these inefficiencies in here. 3-day. We actually were sporting. We're trading off a 3-day inefficiency on ES. Inefficiencies in here, which is on a weekly, I think. Oh, we did inverse this, but we inverse this, in my opinion, to take out the low here, have an SMT to low, and then still go higher. So I still think bear time frame we are actually bullish. And then looking also at this, we had a nice push off here. And then, yeah, you could say, oh, we took out liquidity, FOMC, look at this, like we should go lower, but no, I still think we're gonna go higher. Looking at this inefficiency for swing low to swing high, busy here, another one here, another one here, 2 hour, another one here, 4 hour, we have a singular one, which would be right here, and then that will be the same thing on ES. And then looking at these highs, where we actually, or just looking at the structure, what am I actually targeting here? I was targeting a stage accumulation here. This would be stage accumulation, and this as well. You could say, oh, this is the original consolidation, stage accumulation, and then that'll be the same thing, but this is just all fractal. Like this is stage accumulation inside of a market maker bottom model of this being the original consolidation, and this is just stage accumulation of bear time frame market maker bottom model as well. Like you could just expand it so much or stretch it so much. What works, of course. And yeah, going into today, we had this big imbalance, which was on the 4 hour, same on the ES. And then looking at market open, that's this vertical line here. On the 50-minute chart, we are now. ES already took at 8:30, already took the low here. And I was actually expecting for 9:30 to just trade or just open and trade higher into the buy setup here. And I wasn't expecting for a market to trade lower into the inefficiency again, which we did. Wasn't expecting it, but yeah, we got it. But still doesn't change anything because we're still sporting, or this big gap is still supporting bigger or higher prices. And yeah, eventually we dropped into here. But yeah, 9:30. Let's zoom in even more. 5 minutes. So this low already put in the low of taking those lows into the inefficiency. 9:30 open, we trade lower. And then right here, I could just be on a 1 minute chart. Right here, we had a double SMT. So this still took out all these lows. And then here at 9:49, took out this low again. And Q at the time, 9:49 was here, didn't take out the low. Small reaction. I was looking for bullish prices, but the setup didn't perform. We had a huge drop lower, or huge, like we just said, a drop lower. We also had 10 a.m. news, I think. No, it was medium impact fuller news, but yeah, 10 a.m. for our candle opening, we traded lower. And then what we have here, once we tap into this imbalance, we have a SIBI here, right there, and then we have a small one right here, and then even a small one right there. I look for a singular one, so swing high to swing low, 2 minute chart. We have from swing high to swing low a singular 2 minute inefficiency. So I'm looking at the 2 minute time frame, looking at equal lows taken, which we did right here. 2 minute time frame, 2 minute chart, same thing. Closure above would be here, stop at the low. That's my entry. And then looking at this again as a market maker buy model, this would be the original consolidation, stage accumulation, and this is just stage accumulation of a bigger time frame market maker buy model again. But what I do always start a 1 and 2 first TP. But in this case, 1 and 1 would be break even right here for me. And first TP needs to be a 1 and 2 minimal. So stage accumulation would be here, which only has already taken, but still not a 1 and 2 here. not a 1 and 2. So I extend it until another stage accumulation, which is right here. And that stage accumulation is just to, like, why do I mark out stage accumulations? And that's just for me to tell me, okay, it's not to make myself crazy. Like, I only mark out high here, stage accumulation, and then original consolidation. Why do I do that? Because otherwise I would have millions of lines on here. And if I only have like this line and this line here, then anything that's in between there, like that doesn't matter to me. Like if I am in the setup, I could only be targeting this high and then nothing else. Like I'm not worrying about anything we have in here, like equal highs, equal lows, anything that we have in here. I don't worry about it. Like just look at those highs, which are significant in my opinion then. Eventually the trade, going back to the trade. So yeah, 2-minute inverse right here. And then 1-1 break even. First TP was right here and final TP as well. I was only in with 2 micros. So I took full 100% off there. Normally I go 75% off at the first TP. But yeah, if I'm only in with 2 contracts, like I'm not able to take off 75%. Like I'm not a takeout, not able to take out 1.5 contracts. So yeah, 1 contract off would be 50%, and I always follow my rules. It will be 100% off then, like minimal of 75%. So I took 2 contracts off here, and that was a total of 2.43 RR. And then at top step, it's a it's now just a new day, and I don't know, but it just got removed. But here, $763, which is really nice. And again, like I'm around break-even point. Like it's now Monday. It could be I could be blowing the account while following the rules end of Friday or end of this week because of December. Who knows really? But yeah. Really nice trade on this day. Let me check actually if this is recording. If it isn't, then I'll be. I hope it does. But yeah, so really nice trade on this, and it was funny actually. I took this trade live with in Discord with 3 friends actually. We're in Discord as well in the Ascent, and basically what we had is we were in with 4 people. And then 3 of us took the exact same trade, and it's not that we took the trade because I take the trade, like I take the trade as well. Like it's not that. It was all following our own system, our own plan, and then we all saw, that's our trade. I have to go along here. And then 2 of us were trading IC concepts, and the other one wasn't trading IC concept, and still we took the same trade. I think that was really funny, and we all got a nice W on this day, and I think that's just really funny. And yeah, that's why I have the Discord also. I want to build like a community where we can, like I really want to do this again, like where we could just go in Discord and then live trade with people. Like I think that's an amazing idea. And I think maybe other people think that as well. Like if you want to join, like it's in the description, it's free. Like I don't sell anything. You don't have to be in the Discord every day, or like you could do anything more, but you could join if you want. Yeah, don't sell anything. This is the first time me promoting it actually. Like, yeah, if you would like to join, of course, then it's in the description. You could join. Don't know who you are, but you're free to. And yeah, this was already the trade recap. Really hope it's recording now. That would suck if it doesn't, and then otherwise you don't even see this video. But yeah, am I missing something that I did? Am I missing saying something? No. Yeah, I will be training this week. On tomorrow I will be trading. Wait, what? I thought that we had Hypex folder news on here, but maybe it got removed, or I don't know. But I will be training tomorrow again, and then Wednesday, Thursday, that will be a bank holiday, of course. Wednesday is Christmas, and then Thursday is like I won't be trading. That's Christmas for me as well. I just found out that I think it's only in Europe, or at least where I live, Netherlands. It's a 2-day Christmas holiday. So Wednesday and Thursday is Christmas. So this will be the 2nd of Christmas, or 2nd day Christmas. But I just figured out that in America they don't have that, or maybe another place in America they do. But yeah, just found that out. And then Friday I won't be trading as well. I really thought that, wow, I thought that this calendar was different, but okay. I'm only gonna be trading Monday and Tuesday, and that'll be it for me for this week. Yeah, account is now at break even again today. Just really like this trade, and then yeah, what I want to say as well. like this trade was really nice, but how we actually got there was not, because it was really choppy. Like I explained the 2-minute inversion, but you can see the chop in here. Like eventually, once we closed above, my entry was literally here, and then we were in here for 45 minutes. So we were literally chopping back and forth for 45 minutes. It was literally a roller coaster. But eventually we did go there. So yeah, like the market was, in my eyes, doing what it was supposed to do, but just December price actually could do it slower. Like, I don't know, but yeah. Yeah, this will be the trade recap again. Honestly, really thank you for watching, and yeah, see you. Oh.